Hello, my name is Tony Luongo. I'm the co-founder and artist at Smile, Create, Repeat. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the February 2019 surprise. It's an art supply subscription box that you get delivered to your door every month, full of amazing art supplies, full size, artist quality, tools and materials that you're going to love to explore with. We're going to open it up, tell you a little bit about each supply and why we think you're going to like them. All right, let's get started and see what great things we have in this February 2019 surprise from Smile, Create, Repeat. All right, here we are unboxing it. Let's see what we've got. All right, great. We have this month's creative card telling you about the supplies, showing you the finished artwork on the front, designed a little different this month. And then we have our step-by-step demonstration on the back and a link to go see the video, full length. Well, actually it's sped up in some parts, me just scratching all the hair in the nose of the cat. It's not very interesting, so I did skip some, but you see everything whenever I'm saying something, giving you tips, all that, make mistakes, thinking through the process, it's all in the video. And then there's about the supplies. So that's really a great part. Smile, Create, Repeat. And then yours will be taped. We have our Kimberley pencil. It's a 3H. That's a kind of a hard lead. So it's going to be a light mark you're going to make. And Kimberley pencils, those are just, here's the handle, looks like for the scratch board, the scratch tool. And here's the nib, it's in here. Let's open that up. Oh look, two nibs. So you have two of those. One's a straight edge. These are sharp, so don't poke yourself like I just did. And then let's see, can you see here? Let's see if I can get that. This blade has a rounded edge on the sides, and this one's a straight edge. And that just, well, you'll see in the video how I use the different ones. But that just gives you a different line when you're scratching. And to put those in, again, be careful, they're sharp. It just slides in, and that's it. So, nice, you got two nibs, the holder, the Kimberley pencil. Then we have these brushable Zig memory system brush markers. And these are really cool because they're dual tip, both brush tips. And this is going to be, one side is full color, the other side is half the color. So it's like you have two markers in one, which is nice. We have our new Smile, Create, Repeat pencil. Oh, the possibilities. Because when you have a pencil in your hand, you can create anything you want. So certainly take that to heart and see what you can do. And of course you need some scratch paper. This is black coated paper. When you scratch it, you'll see you get the white underneath it. And then in the demonstration, you'll see that you can go over the white that you expose with the marker. And you can even scratch that out once it's dried. Put that there, move the box over a little. And then we have our Smile, Create, Repeat, think inside the box, because we'll help you think outside the box. Sticker, a couple postcards, a watercolor sketch, and another pen and ink sketch postcards. So that's the February 2019 surprise from Smile, Create, Repeat. Let us know what you think and if there's any supplies you'd love to see in the next surprise. Thanks and have a great month. Remember, Smile, Create, Repeat.